you're doing paint restoration in his 2025 GMC.
So, when you're broke and you got a broke man's truck, and you don't want it to look like a broke man's truck, well, all you need is just find some shit to scrape it with because your paint's peeling off. And we're gonna go to the store get some spray paint. We're gonna spray paint it. So it won't look like a nice truck if you're up close, but from a distance, people are gonna be like, damn, that's a nice truck. So that's kind of the effect I'm going for. Looking nice from a distance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should make a song about it.
Yeah.
About the truck.
Yeah, my truck looks nice from a distance, but when you're closer, you don't really like it. Yeah, I'm working on the song. It'll come out, you know, soon, my new album. Oh, my truck. You guys are gonna like it. Definitely smash that subscribe button down there.
Yeah.
Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll teach you things about life here on my channel.
You need to create the channel first.
I don't even know what that means, but you know, smash the like button.
Yeah, I'm gonna put his channel on the description.
We got that. It's fine.
Yeah. Painting this GMC. Got some Rust-Oleum, sand it to the primer, and hopefully we can get a nice paint job here. Let's see. Okay, I am painting this truck.
He's just painting it, taking this beautiful old dirty pearl, and we're polishing it up. What I'm gonna do here, because we're in the land of freedoms, I'm gonna take this strip and we're gonna get some of that high quality Rust-Oleum. I'm gonna spray paint it blue, freedom blue, and then I'm gonna take this strip here and it's gonna be red like the blood of our ancestors that fought for our freedom, and then the rest is gonna be white. It'll be red, white, and blue. It's like this wonderful country's flag that we live in. Simple as that.
Yeah.
We'll be driving around freedom.
Yeah. It's coming out great.
But yeah.
And we are burning V8.
Yes, V8.
Just to keep it warm.
That's right. Burning old fossilized dinosaurs. Recycled old dinosaur bones. Heat our engine up.
Yeah.
It works.